Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking 2025 Ferrari 12Cilindri, a car that brings Ferrari's legendary V12 power into the modern era with stunning performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that's pure automotive art. This is Ferrari at its finest, raw, emotional, and absolutely exhilarating. Under the hood, the 12Cilindri carries the soul of Maranello with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. It produces a monstrous 830 horsepower, revving all the way to a spine-tingling 9,500 RPM. Ferrari has made it clear that despite the shift towards hybrid and electric powertrains, the V12 remains an essential part of their DNA. This engine is a masterpiece, delivering instant throttle response and a symphony of mechanical perfection that only a Ferrari 12-cylinder can provide. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which Ferrari has fine-tuned for even faster shifts. Whether you're launching from a standstill or blasting down a back road, gear changes are razor-sharp, keeping you in the heart of the power band at all times. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds and a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, it's blisteringly, mind-meltingly quick. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the 12-Cilindri's performance. Ferrari has sculpted every inch of this car to maximize downforce and minimize drag. The active aerodynamics system adjusts in real time, ensuring the car stays planted at high speeds without compromising efficiency. From the front splitter to the rear diffuser, every detail has been engineered to provide optimal stability and handling. The car's sleek, aggressive lines are more than just for show. They serve a purpose, making the 12-Cilindri one of the most aerodynamically advanced Ferraris ever built. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for pure driving engagement. The cabin blends luxury with cutting-edge technology, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, an intuitive infotainment system, and premium materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and hand-stitched leather. Ferrari has minimized distractions, ensuring that every control is within reach and every detail enhances the driving experience. The steering wheel is loaded with buttons and switches, allowing you to control everything from drive modes to turn signals without taking your hands off the wheel. Speaking of drive modes, the 12-Cilindri offers a range of settings tailored for different driving conditions. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or attacking a racetrack, the Manettino switch allows you to adjust suspension stiffness, traction control, and power delivery to suit your driving style. In race mode, the car becomes an untamed beast, sharpening throttle response and allowing for more aggressive handling dynamics. If you want to push the limits, Ferrari's side slip control system helps you execute perfect drifts with confidence. Despite its extreme performance, the 12-Cilindri isn't just about speed, it's about the emotional connection between driver and machine. The V12's sound is nothing short of intoxicating, with a deep, thunderous growl at low RPMs that builds into a screaming, high-pitched wail as you push it towards redline. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you feel in your soul. Ferrari has also ensured that the 12-Cilindri meets modern safety and driver assistance standards. While this car is all about raw driving pleasure, it still comes equipped with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance systems. But make no mistake, this is a driver's car first and foremost, built for those who appreciate the art of high-performance motoring. On the road, the 12-Cilindri feels alive. The steering is razor-sharp, offering precise feedback that makes you feel connected to every inch of the pavement. The suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and stiffness, absorbing bumps without compromising the car's dynamic capabilities. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking tight corners, the car remains composed, responsive, and exhilarating to drive. Ferrari's legacy of creating iconic V12-powered machines lives on with the 12-Cilindri. It carries the spirit of legendary models like the 812 Superfast, F12 Berlinetta, and even the classic front-engine Ferraris of the past, all while incorporating the latest advancements in performance and technology. This is a car that reminds us why we fell in love with Ferrari in the first place, a celebration of power, passion, and pure driving joy. As we look to the future, Ferrari's commitment to electrification is clear, but the 12-Cilindri stands as a defiant tribute to the naturally aspirated V12. This could be one of the last of its kind, making it a truly special machine for collectors and enthusiasts alike. It's not just another supercar, it's a piece of Ferrari history, a love letter to the internal combustion engine, and one of the most exhilarating cars on the planet. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ferrari 12Cilindri. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of Ferrari's latest V12 masterpiece? Would you take this over a hybrid or electric Ferrari? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video.